Good afternoon, everyone. How are you today? Well, after sitting on the fence for a few years on whether or not to put crushed gravel in the garden walkway, we finally decided to do it. I think I'm the one that has been holding back. My husband wanted it done a long time ago. However, we have camphor trees that come about March will start dropping leaves all the way up until November. And cleanup always seemed to be an hassle because of just the amount of debris they drop. But now that we have a battery operated blower, it's going to be much easier. We have 180 square feet that we need to cover. With the 1 ton that we picked up, that'll give us an 1.5 to 2 inch thick layer that we'll be able to cover the whole area with. I'm going to go grab the landscape fabric so we can get started. Good morning, everyone. We finished up late last night as the sun was setting, and I completely forgot to say goodbye to you guys. I think it's a much better improvement. I'm so glad we did this yesterday when it was 45 degrees instead of 110 in the middle of July. Now instead, when I come out here in the summertime, I won't get everything dusty and kick up a lot of dirt, and in the winter, it won't be muddy. I'm really happy with how my winter vegetables are coming along, the spinach, the lettuce, all the onions. I even see little itty bitty heads of broccoli coming up over here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope your new year has gotten off to a really great start. We'll see you soon. Bye.